In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use conditional formatting in Smartsheet. Conditional formatting is a powerful way to automatically change how your data looks based on rules you set. It helps you quickly spot things like overdue tasks, high priorities, or anything that needs your attention without manually scanning every row. First, open your project sheet in Smartsheet. Make sure you're looking at the grid view so you can clearly see your rows and columns. Once your sheet is open, look toward the top of the screen for the conditional formatting option. It may appear as a button or an icon labeled for formatting or highlighting, depending on your layout. Go ahead and click on that to open the conditional formatting panel. In this panel, you'll see an option to add a new rule. Click on Add New Rule. This is where you'll define both the condition and the formatting that should apply when that condition is met. You'll see a placeholder that says something like Set Condition. Click on that. Now you can choose what you want Smartsheet to look for. For example, you might choose a specific column such as status and then set a condition like is equal to and select a value such as in progress or at risk. The idea is when a row meets this condition, Smartsheet will automatically format it for you. Next, move down to the formatting section. You'll see an area where you can pick how the matching cells or rows should look. Click the formatting option to open the style chooser. Here, you can adjust things like text color, background color, or other visual styles. Choose something that stands out, but still fits your sheet's overall design. You'll also see an option that controls what the rule applies to. Click where it indicates the scope and select Entire Row if you want the whole row to change when the condition is met. This is helpful for quickly scanning your sheet and seeing all related information highlighted together. Once you've set the condition, chosen the formatting, and decided to apply it to the entire row, review your choices. When everything looks right, click OK to save the rule. Finally, close the conditional formatting panel or click back into your sheet. You should now see your rows automatically update based on the rule you just created, making it much easier to track important information at a glance.